Why is my Audi Q5 making a rattling sound? Identifying unwanted rattling in your Audi Q5. Hearing an unfamiliar rattling noise in your Audi Q5 can be both distracting and concerning for any vehicle owner. Rattling often signals underlying mechanical wear or loose components that need prompt attention to avoid further damage. Knowing where the sound originates and what might be causing it is the first step toward a smooth and quiet driving experience. Likely sources of the rattle: heat shields or exhaust system issues. Loose heat shields or corroded exhaust parts frequently cause metallic rattling, especially when idling or accelerating. Suspension wear and tear. Damaged sway bar links or worn bushings may rattle when driving over bumps or uneven roads. Engine or transmission mount failure. Cracked or weak mounts allow excess movement, creating rattling or vibrating sounds during gear shifts. Interior-related rattle causes loose cabin panels and trim. Door panels, dashboard parts, or center consoles may vibrate due to weak clips or aging materials. Sunroof and headliner issues. Faulty sunroof mechanisms or sagging headliners can generate repetitive interior rattles. Objects inside the cabin. Unsecured items in glove boxes or door pockets may also mimic mechanical rattling sounds. Expert diagnosis and reliable solution. Thorough inspection by Audi specialists. Technicians use advanced diagnostics to isolate the exact source and recommend appropriate repairs. Genuine parts replacement. Replacing faulty components with OEM Audi parts ensures performance, safety, and long-term reliability. Regular preventive maintenance. Scheduled checkups help detect and address early signs of wear before they become major concerns. Conclusion. Restore peace of mind and quiet performance. A rattling sound in your Audi Q5 is not just an annoyance, it's a warning sign not to ignore. Professional diagnosis and timely repairs help preserve your vehicle's smooth performance and comfort. Schedule a comprehensive inspection to eliminate rattles and restore your Q5 to its premium driving experience.